Question 9. In the fruit bowl, there were some red apples and 2 green. There were 3 more red than green. How many red apples were there? This question is about apples. One quantity are the red apples and the other quantity are the green apples. The first thing I need to do is work out which one is the larger quantity. I'm going to look for the word more or fewer, and I can see it here. I'm going to read this to work out which there is more of. There were 3 more red than green. So red is the one that is the most. So I'm going to put my red apples on the top line. That will be the larger quantity. And I'm going to put my green apples on my second bar, and that will be my smaller quantity, and then a difference. In the fruit bowl, there were some red apples. So the first piece of information is some red apples. This quantity, the larger one of red, is unknown. And 2 green. So I have 2 green apples. I know that. There were 3 more red than green. So 3 more is the difference here. How many red apples were there? I'm having to find my unknown of how many red. I'm going to use this plan because I know the smaller quantity and I know the difference, but the larger quantity is unknown. So if I do the smaller quantity of 2, add the difference of 3, I will get my larger quantity, which is unknown. 2 add 3 equals 5. I'm going to check that there are 5 red apples. There's my stick of 5. Yes. 2 green and a difference of 3 makes 5 red apples. The last thing I need to check is my question. There's my question mark. How many red apples were there? There were 5. And I write 5 next to the question mark. There were 5 red apples.